How to share any Excel document as PDF to Google Drive. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document as PDF to Google Drive directly, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Excel, choose the document that you want. I'm going to choose this one. Go to the top right here, click on this little icon. Now after you click on this icon, it will give you those two options. Choose share as attachment. Now click on PDF and wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now click on drive icon right here and everything will be done easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.